Dear investors and friends, we invite you to take a look behind the scenes of creating the unique architectural masterpiece of Anichi Resort and Spa, located in Dominica. This island in the Caribbean basin impresses with its stunning natural beauty and stable economy, making it an ideal destination for both leisure and investment. Anichi Resort and Spa is proudly part of the Autograph Collection by Marriott International and has been approved by the Dominican government under the Citizenship by Investment program, with minimum investment starting at $220,000. The citizenship application process typically takes 3 to 4 months. The benefits of Dominican citizenship include visa-free travel to over 140 countries and territories, a favorable tax climate, access to the Caribbean market, and lifetime citizenship. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Contact us now to explore the possibilities.